what is a label right product and a private label rights and the difference in between them. And if you want to do affiliate marketing, these products are gonna be the ones that can make you more money, or you can make less money if you don't use them. How's that possible? We're gonna talk about it on this video. But first, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, I will appreciate if you hit that button that says subscribe, give me the thumbs up, like this video, share my video, but you can hit that notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. Now, I mentioned on a previous video that I had 3 announcements. And if you haven't seen it, you're gonna appear something in here so you can go watch this video once you're done with this one. But in that video, I say something very important. If you guys help me reach 100 subscribers before the end of the year, and before I actually release 100 videos on my channel, I will have a giveaway, which are the books, Expert Secrets and the .com Secrets. Now, for every person that is an affiliate or wants to be an affiliate, these books are life-changing once you read them and you understand the concepts. So, I will appreciate if you guys share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 100 subscribers. And now we're gonna talk about private label rights and white label rights. If you never heard of them, of these products, the reason why they're very important, and especially for affiliate marketing, is because the top affiliates are bound to use these products to win the contest. If you go into JVSU or any other products that are getting released into the market, top affiliates do one thing first. They go, subscribe, and get these products to be approved so they can promote them. They have a big email list or a big audience, and then they just release the information, they give their opinion on the product, and then they make sales and they make millions of dollars. But you also have to remember, as an affiliate, what difference does it make? People buying from you, that buying from this super affiliate, that buying from this other super affiliate, because as an affiliate marketer, you're not the only one that's actually promoting these products. Well, a lot of affiliates go with white label right products, private label right products. Now, white label right products are products that you can purchase from any company. They created in a mass production. You go purchase the rights to actually rebrand it as your own and then give it away as a bonus to your customers, and it will complement the product that you are promoting. The only difference is you cannot change the actual content of this product. And one perfect example, and it's something that I learned through this research, is if you go to a supermarket and you see their base products or their actual supermarket products that they have their own labels, they purchase these products from a warehouse that is creating these products in mass quantities. And the different companies, all they do is they're purchasing a bulk, and they just put their label and then they just rebrand it as their own. If you're thinking very simple, it's a can of beans. They make thousands of it on this warehouse, but it's a company that says, well, send me this bulk and this is my label right here, and then another company does the same thing and another company does the same thing. They're reselling that product without they having to do it, give it to people with certain price, but they have their own label. Let's think in affiliate marketing how that works. One of the products that I have that's a white label right product is softwares that I'm giving away when you purchase the course through my link. I cannot change those softwares. Somebody already created, purchased those products, gave me the rights to give it to you as a bonus, but I cannot change anything on the software. You have to use that software as it is. I just rebranded it as my own. I got the rights. I give it to you if you purchase through my link. So that's basically what a label right product is. And one of the other things that I heard from another super affiliate was you can get an application that will complement any product or any service that you are actually providing, and this person is gonna create that app, and the app can be rebranded by many people and give it away, you know, as a white label right product. You are the one paying the rights for that. So there's many ways that you can get white label right products, but it all depends on the niche. So you have to do your research and find white label products, and a lot of them can be software. They don't have to be actual products, you know, they don't have to be physical products, but you can do that if you want to, depending on your niche. The private label right products, and it was something that I was not very aware of it at the beginning when people were talking about bonuses. If you go and Google private label right websites, there's a million of it. There's like so many of them, and they actually give you certain instructions on how can you use these private label right products. They can tell you, yes, you can edit the whole page if it's an ebook, and you can rebrand it as your own. They will give you the actual front page that you can use, or you can just redo it again and just add your name to it. The content inside can be rebranded as your own. Sometimes the videos can be rebranded. You can put your own background in the video and still use the rest of the video. You know, there's a series of courses that you can actually purchase and rebrand it as your own. You cannot change the content, but you can rebrand it as your own. Or you can actually do your own voiceover so it sounds like you were the one that made it. So there's plenty of websites where you can find these private label right products. You just have to follow the instructions. Some will tell you you can actually add it as a bonus to your product. No, you cannot change the content. Yes, you can change the content. So there's instructions, and that's the difference between a white label right product and the private label right product. The white label, you cannot change anything, but you can rebrand it as your own. The private label right product, you can actually make changes to it depending on instructions. That's why you need to do your research depending on the products that you want to promote. And this is gonna make you a lot of money. Now, there's pros and cons with this. The pro is you don't have to redo all this. You don't have to create the bonuses yourself. They're already out there. You just gotta do your research on what the product or the next step on the actual sell message goes for you. The point of it is super affiliates take huge advantages of these things because that's how they make the more money. And if you think basically an affiliate for a product, you're not the only one. There's 30, 40, 50 people that are doing the same thing as you do. What set them apart? What products are they giving away as a bonus that will make you be interested in saying, well, I want to promote this product, but he has these bonuses and I have these bonuses. Maybe you can add one more. And that's why I'm creating the course and it's gonna be released at the beginning of 2020, where we're gonna go into detail on how we're gonna start from beginning to end and be a very efficient affiliate from the beginning, because I know for a fact that you can watch as many YouTube videos as you want, like I did, but there's always the one step that's missing. There's always the one thing that you're like, oh, I have no idea about this. I don't have no idea about this. Well, you know, after all these months that I've been gathering all this information, I put it all together for you guys so you can know step by step how we're gonna go about starting from beginning to end, and then just take action and start being one of the top super affiliates with time and practice, because it's not gonna happen overnight, and I hope everybody understands this. But I want to give you a roadmap for true beginners, how to start and end to be an affiliate. I hope that you find a lot of value in this, that you understand this, and then you start doing your own research if you already have an idea what niche you want to get in, to see what products are out there or what exactly you can do to give more value to your customers when you want to promote certain products for affiliate marketing. And with that being said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also give me the thumbs up. If you like this video, share it if you know someone that's getting started with affiliate marketing and need to know what the difference is between white label rights and private label rights. And hit the notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. So I will see you guys in the next video.